Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Lynn, and today I'm going to show you how I do my nails from home. Whether you want to save some money, you're looking for some new DIY projects, or you just love nail art, you've come to the right place. So grab your tools and let's get started. First things first, let me show you what I'll be using in today's nail sesh. I am using a bunch of different colors. These colors are from the brand Abgel. I did do a swatching video of this collection on my page a while ago, so if you are interested, I will have that available for you to go check it out. Now, the Abgel polishes, unfortunately, you can get them through the auction here in Cleveland, Ohio. That's how I got them. When I did a search on Amazon to see if this was a brand that they carry, I could not find them. But I can recommend another brand or two other brands to you that I think you would appreciate. And those brands are Beetles and Model Ones. If you've been watching me for a while, then you know I've used Beetles and I've used Model Ones down. So if you are in the market for a collection of quality gel nail polishes and you don't want to break the bank, check those out and you can find them on Amazon. If you all are wondering, I did do my prep off camera. I recommend you prep your nails each and every time you add enhancements, each and every time you add nail art. If you want it to last, if you want it to look good, you're going to do a good prep. If you don't know what a good prep consists of, go ahead and jump into YouTube University. I actually have a video on my channel. It's called Start to Finish How I Do a Full Set of Polygel Nails. If you want to go check it out, I will link it for you all. Now, let's get into the fun part. We are creating a very fun, beginner-friendly, colorful nail art design. First, I'm going to go in and create two flowers on my thumbnail. I'm using the pink and the orange. I'm using my dotting tool. I'm also using a striper tool. Both of these products came from Amazon. I can link some similars down below. I don't know if I'll be able to find the exacts. But if you don't have these items, I would recommend a toothpick for precision and or the back of a pen for the dots. Or you could even use a bobby pin. Use whatever you have around the house to get it done. And basically, to create these flowers, you're just going to make a dot. And then you're going to draw lines coming from the dot. It's as simple as that. Don't trip if your petals are not all the perfect size because flowers come in all shapes and sizes. Now, if you're using a tool such as mine, which is the striper brush, I would suggest that you let the nail polish get a little bit of a little drip type effect going about itself. Now, don't do too much, but get a little bit of polish on there to where it's as if it's going to drip off. Take the drip off part, slap it on the nail, and then pull. That'll create that perfect petal look without you having to do much work. As you can see, once I discovered that, I started doing it myself. Before we go any further, let's do our check-in. How is everyone doing? I know it's been a minute since I've posted a video. I have missed the YouTube streets. But today is Sunday, August 4th. It is 4:11 in the morning, and I am hoping to have this video ready for you guys by 12 p.m. today. I hope everyone is doing well. Go ahead and drop a smiley face in the comment section if you're having a good day. And if you're not having the best day, I do hope that my video brings you some joy. Now, after creating my petals, I did go in with my dotting tool. And this is the purple color. And I'm just using this to create some dots. It just adds a little bit more sass to the nail. I told you we are going colorful, and I meant it. The next nail is our pointer finger. We are going to go in with the pink for a base color. We are doing 2 coats of this pink. And then we are going in with the purple. We are going to create a checkerboard. This nail will match our ring finger. We're just going to change up the colors, just a heads up. Now, my lines are not the straightest. They are not going to be the straightest, but I did get good enough for myself, and that's really all that matters. I did mess up, and when I messed up, I wiped it off and I started over. There's no rule in the nail book that says you can't start over. Now, if you're pressed for time, then starting over may not be an option. But in this case, I had all the time in the world. And actually, this nail design did not take that long, which was so shocking. You would think because every nail is something different or just nail art in general, you would think that it would take a long time, but it didn't. After getting my boxes all squared away, I do go in and fill in every other one, just like you would a checkerboard, a real one. All right, we are moving along, honey. We are already to the middle nail. Now, for the middle nail, I am still using my striper brush. I'm going in with the orange polish, and I'm not really sure how to label this little design, but it's like a wiggly side part. That's the best that I can do, guys. I'm sorry. But we are going to create that with the striper brush, and then we're going to use the striper brush to fill it in. When you're doing those tight, small spaces, it does help to have a striper brush or some type of small tool that can get in there and not mess up your wiggly line, because we don't want that to happen. Now, I do go in with 2 coats of that orange because I want my colors to pop, honey. I said I want vibrant, I want bold, I want summer. And the first layer was not given that, so I had to go in with 2. After that, we are going in with the blue, and we're going to do the same shape. We're just making it a lot skinnier. And after that, we're going to go in with the pink and do a middle line. I thought of that last, which is why I didn't do it beforehand. I figured something else needed to be in the center of that design. I actually have a reference photo that I'm going off of somewhat. Not completely, but for the most part I am. So I'll show you guys what I was looking at for reference for this whole nail set. I got it from Pinterest. Moving right along, we are going to create a mushroom. I take my dotting tool and the color purple. I do 2 dots, and then I join those 2 dots together with a upside down U. It was very easy to do. It may look like a tree, but it's a mushroom. Then I take the same dotting tool and the color orange to create a stem. I basically draw a T. The bottom part of the T is a little bit thicker than it would typically be, but that's how I created that. Moving right along, we did do a flower. I take the pink, I do a dot in the center, and then I take the blue and do a couple of dots around the outskirt, and that is my flower. Okay, y'all, we are almost done. We got 2 fingers left. Now, for our ring finger, we do the same exact design that we did on our pointer finger. So I'm just going to let you guys watch that. And same for our pinky. I do the same thing that I did on my thumbnail, so it's nothing to really narrate. So I'm going to go ahead and say my goodbyes. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload. Don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the crew. I will talk to you guys next time. Peace out.